Welcome to Curve Fitting Toolbox, Pro Tips and Workflow. If you're ready to take your data analysis skills to the next level, you're in the right place. This video is designed for users who want to move beyond basic curve fitting and truly master the Curve Fitting Toolbox, or CFT. The Curve Fitting Toolbox is a powerful tool for visualizing data, fitting curves and surfaces, and performing deep analysis of the relationships between variables. For advanced users, the CFT offers features like custom equations, robust fitting, and powerful validation methods to ensure highly accurate results. Our pro workflow begins with meticulous data preparation and import, the foundation of a reliable fit. The CFT allows you to easily import diverse datasets, including data from multiple sources and complex variable structures, preparing them for analysis. Pro tip: utilize data cleaning and pre-processing techniques to handle missing values, smooth noisy data, and ensure your inputs are of the highest quality. Next, let's explore advanced fitting techniques that elevate your modeling capabilities beyond standard polynomial fits. Learn how to choose and compare complex fit types, including defining your own custom equations for non-standard models. It's essential to configure robust fitting methods to mitigate the impact of outliers and effectively exclude data points that skew your results. A pro workflow always includes rigorous evaluation and improvement of the fitted curves and surfaces. Understand how to interpret goodness of fit statistics like R-squared and root mean square error, or RMSE, to quantify the quality of your model. Detailed analysis of residuals and prediction bounds is crucial for identifying systematic errors and assessing the uncertainty in your predictions. Implement validation techniques, such as cross-validation, to ensure your model generalizes well to new, unseen data, preventing overfitting. Finally, let's look at how to automate your workflow and export your results for seamless integration and reporting. The CFT allows you to generate code directly from the app, making it easy to reproduce your fits and integrate them into larger programs or functions. Learn the best practices for exporting your fitted models and analysis results for deployment in various applications and professional reporting. We've covered the essential steps for mastering the Curve Fitting Toolbox and establishing a professional workflow. Remember the key steps: rigorous data preparation, sophisticated fitting techniques, thorough evaluation, and efficient automation. For more detailed information and advanced topics, check out the resources linked below. Thank you for watching.